Okay, we are at the PrincessGrand, Jamaica. This is the swim up suite. So when you come in, you have your bathroom area. To the left of that, you have a mirror. Shouldn't necessarily judge the cleanliness based on the hotel because I was only able to take this video at the end of our trip. So keep that in mind. Over to the left, we have the bar area with coffee. It does come with a mini fridge, a safe, and a hair dryer. And then of course you have your red stripe, your juice, and your soda. Over to the right, we have the shower. It's a sliding glass door shower with a rainfall head. And then you have another detachable head right here. So sink, you have the double vanity with the vertical oval mirrors. You do get the little toiletries, soap, shower cap, body milk, conditioner, bath gel, and shampoo. As we go into the room, we have some artwork. This little bench for luggage really came in handy. I like this space here. Got this little chair. The beds, I believe, are full size, or maybe queen size. And then also you have this little kind of a seating shelf area that runs along here. I thought that was really useful. My kids would sit on it sometimes, or we put our backpacks up there. Flat screen TV. And then over here, you have your mirror, your light switches, phone. Also, this is in Celsius, and we were not able to figure out how to get it to go to Fahrenheit. So keep that in mind because your room will probably be the same, but this is your temperature controls. And then at the end of the room, you have your little dining and seating area. So you have your little table, little chair, little couch. And then we get to the outside portion and have your little lights on the side, towel rack. We made use of our outside portion, towels, and then we'll just get a quick view of the swim up pool.